So this is what we're going to create today, and we're going to create everything inside Photoshop. So if you want to learn Photoshop, or if you want to enhance your Photoshop skills or graphic designing skills, then please do subscribe my channel. And if you are looking for this PSD file, this is available on my Patreon, and the link is in the description list below. So with that sort of information, let's dive into the video. So here we are in Photoshop, and first thing first, let's create an artboard, and for that press Ctrl and N at the same time. And I'll just go with 4:5 resolution to 300, color mode to RGB, color bit to 8-bit, and let's keep the rest on as default. And by the way, I'm going to create a separate video for this color profile only. And let's click on create, and let's make it a bigger size. And right after that, let's drag and drop this player image right over here, and press Ctrl and T. Let's make it bigger, and maybe more bigger. Yep, somewhere around this size looks good to me. And then let's go on very bottom, let's create a solid, and let's go for a kind of darker color. Maybe let's go more toward bluish tint. Yep, somewhere around like that. And let's create a new layer. Click on brush, and I'm going to use this environmental brush. And let me show you something. So I download this brush from this website, and let's go back to Photoshop, and let's go for let's go for this brush, and let's make the color kind of a little lighter. Let's make it a little bigger, and let's see. Yep, let's go for this one. And let's create one more layer on top, and let's create a little lighter color. Yep, just like so. And let's create one layer right over here. And let's drop down the opacity just like so. Here we go. And then let's create one more layer, and let's go for another brush. Let's see. Yeah, I like to go with the very first one. Yep, this one. Let's make it a little bigger. Yep, I'll just keep it like that for now. And then let's go over here, and let's add an exposure. And let's make it a little darker, I guess. Like let's keep it all the way to the top, and let's make everything a little darker, I guess. Yep. And let's go over here, and let's add another exposure, and let's make it like more darker. And let's click on clip to layer, and then let's fill it with black color. Go to brush, and I'll just use a general soft brush, and let's create some shadow part. So let's see, right over here, let's make it white, and let's reveal those parts back just like so. Here, here, and here, just like that. Just like so. So this is before, and this is after. And let's add a new solid, and let's give a kind of warmer color just like that. Let's click on clip to layer. For that, press Alt and put your cursor in between, and just click it. And let's fill the color with black, and let's go back to brush again and make sure the color is white. And let's get some kind of glow edges right around here. And then just like that. And let's add one more solid, and let's make it really bright. And let's click on clip to layer, just like that. Again, let's fill it with black. Go to brush, and then let's change the opacity, some opacity really high, and then let's rebuild some of these parts. Right around here. Yep, just like so. So this is what we got. Now let's create a new layer, and let's change the blending mode to color does, or maybe let's change it to screen, and let's go back to kind of warmer color, and let's add some warm effect right around here. And let's go on very top, create a new layer. Again, let's add kind of lighter color right around here. And then let's go on very top, add a color lookup, and from here click on load, and I'm going to use my moodlet, so select this one and click on load. So this is what we got. Now let's drag and drop this image right around here. Let's change the blending mode to screen, right, Control T. Let's keep it just like so, and let's press Control and L for label, and let's darken it just like that. And let's make a one more copy, Control J. Let's keep it all the way to the bottom, maybe right around here. Let's press Control and T. Let's make it bigger. Just like so. And for these hard edges, let's move it a little up, I guess. Yep, let's create a layer mask, go to brush, and let's erase some of these hard edges. Make sure the color is black. Yep. And then again, same thing, let's go on very bottom, let's erase these parts just like so. And let's go back to this image, so select, drag and drop this image right around here, Control T. Let's change the blending mode to screen. Let's move it all the way to the top, maybe right around here. And again, press Control and L. Let's darken it just like so, Control T. Let's move it right around here. And let's create a layer mask again, and go to brush, and let's erase some of these hard edges just like so. And let's make a one more copy, Control J. Let's create a new layer on very top, go to brush, and let's go for a general soft brush, and let's make it kind of little lighter. And let's change the blending mode to soft light. Let's fill this with a blue color, and let's make it a warmer color. Let's fill this part with kind of warmer color. And let's add one more image just right around here, just like that. Let's keep it all the way to the bottom, maybe right around here, Control T. Let's make it bigger just like that. And let's add a filter, let's add a blur, let's add a motion blur. Let's change the direction to maybe just like so. Let's make a copy, Control J. Let's move it on very top, right around here. Let's create a layer mask, go to brush, and let's erase some of these parts just like so, and let's merge everything. Control Shift Alt and E. Let's go to filter, let's go to camera raw filter, and let's crank up the clarity. Let's increase the highlights. Let's drop down the exposure just like that. Increase the vibrance. Let's increase the noise reduction, color noise reduction. Let's increase the sharpening, and then go to effect. Let's add some grain, and let's add some vignetting just like that, and let's click on OK, and let's add some, and then I'll just add some text and I'll be back. So that's the final, and I hope you guys learned something new from this tutorial, and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.